Xiaomi TV S Pro MiniLED 75, 2026, the definitive large-screen mini LED television premium 75-inch mini LED display built for cinematic precision. We present the Xiaomi TV S Pro MiniLED 75, 2026 as a flagship large-format television engineered to deliver uncompromising visual performance. The expansive 75-inch 4K UHD panel utilizes advanced mini-LED backlighting with finely tuned local dimming zones, producing exceptional contrast control, deeper blacks, and precise highlight rendering. This architecture minimizes blooming while maintaining uniform brightness across the entire screen, essential for home cinema enthusiasts and professional-grade viewing. High peak brightness and advanced HDR mastery, the mini LED array is designed to reach striking peak brightness levels, enabling vivid HDR playback even in brightly lit rooms. Support for industry-leading HDR standards including Dolby Vision, HDR10+, HDR10, and HLG ensures scene-by-scene optimization of color, contrast, and luminance. Dynamic metadata processing preserves creative intent, delivering lifelike images with accurate shadow detail and dazzling specular highlights. True to life color accuracy with wide gamut coverage, we engineered the panel for wide color gamut reproduction, achieving near-complete DCI-P3 coverage. Combined with factory-level color calibration and a 10-bit color pipeline, the Xiaomi TV S Pro MiniLED 75 renders smooth gradients, natural skin tones, and saturated colors without banding. This makes it equally compelling for film lovers, sports fans, and high-end content creators seeking reference-level accuracy. Ultra-smooth motion with high refresh rate performance. Designed for next-generation content, the television supports a high native refresh rate with advanced MEMC motion enhancement. Gamers benefit from HDMI 2.1 connectivity, variable refresh rate, VRR, auto-low latency mode, ALM, and ultra-low input lag. Whether streaming high-frame rate sports or playing fast-paced console titles, motion remains fluid, sharp, and responsive. Immersive audio with cinematic sound processing audio performance matches the visual ambition. Integrated high-power speakers are tuned with Dolby Atmos and DTS-X technologies to create a three-dimensional soundstage. Intelligent sound processing enhances dialogue clarity while maintaining deep bass and spatial separation, eliminating the immediate need for an external sound system. Elegant metal design optimized for modern interiors. We crafted the Xiaomi TV S Pro MiniLED 75 with a minimalist metal chassis, ultra-thin bezels, and a premium brushed finish. The near-borderless design maximizes screen real estate and integrates seamlessly into contemporary living spaces. Flexible mounting options support both wall-mounted installations and stable tabletop placement. Smart Google TV experience with seamless ecosystem integration running on Google TV. The interface unifies streaming platforms, live TV, and personalized recommendations into a single intuitive hub. Built-in Google Assistant enables hands-free voice control, while Chromecast and Miracast provide effortless content sharing from mobile devices. Integration with smart home ecosystems allows centralized control of compatible devices directly from the television. Comprehensive connectivity for future-ready entertainment. We equip the TV with multiple HDMI 2.1 ports, USB interfaces, optical audio output, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity. This ensures compatibility with next-gen consoles, sound systems, storage devices, and wireless peripherals, future-proofing your entertainment setup for years to come. Energy efficiency and intelligent thermal management. Despite its size and brightness capabilities, the Xiaomi TV S Pro MiniLED 75 is optimized for energy efficiency. Intelligent power management and advanced thermal design maintain stable performance, while reducing unnecessary power consumption during extended viewing sessions. Why Xiaomi TV S Pro MiniLED 75, 2026, redefines the category. We position this model as a benchmark for premium Mini LED televisions by combining display excellence, immersive audio, refined design, and a powerful smart ecosystem. It delivers flagship-level performance at a scale that transforms living rooms into true cinematic environments.